which now, 150 years later, is huge and important to the 3D graphics field. So when we measure off of, so essentially this is a 4x4 matrix, and you'll see the pieces here. The translation piece becomes there. And so essentially the main thing to get from a 4x4 matrix is the fact that we can express all of those things that you saw before, a rotation about x, y, or z, or a translation, or a scale, can all be put into here. Now our coordinates are not x, y, z, they're x, y, z, and a fourth parameter. And that fourth parameter is needed because it's to maintain the translation component when they're multiplied together. It's also important, this value here you'll see in a second, will help us do with the perspective. So these are our Euler angles, rotations around the x, y, and z. If you remember some basic geometry, this is the breakout of x and y when you actually apply an angle along that space. If you multiply them all together, that's what you get. And then lastly is this perspective coordinate. So the perspective coordinate, or the perspective value, takes one single value. Often it's left without its units, but it's actually in pixel space. If it's left without its units, it's in pixel space. And essentially, a lot of times, most examples just put 600, which is a field of view. So if you're a 3D programmer, this is your field of view, and you're defining an offset from your view plane to the user in space.